Okay, I want to actually share on how to trade digit differ, but I'm gonna pause and wait for when I have a signal. Okay. Okay, I just made a trade. Now, the reason why you are not seeing the process of how I'm able to make this trade is because it actually takes a lot of time. Okay, for instance, before now, I've done a recording. Okay, let me show you so that you get to understand. I've done a recording of, I don't know how I'm going to show you, but I've done a recording that took almost, I don't know how many minutes it took. Okay, but I did a recording that took almost 40 minutes. Okay, and I felt like it's too long of a time. It's too long of a time. So I wanted to shorten the time frame. So that's why I did this trade. So today I did a trade of about 15 trades. Now, why did I do 15 trades? I had a loss. Why did I have a loss? Because of internet. Okay, I'm using my phone internet to trade on this phone, and there was like I think a call or something that interrupted the flow. So I forgot to turn on my Wi-Fi. I also have a Wi-Fi, so I was on my mobile data. So that was what caused this loss. Okay, I was just supposed to do 3 trades. Okay, my target is 3 trades, almost 30%. So this was where I had loss. So imagine I had to do a whole lot of trades. So I did this separately in the recording, but it was too long. The waiting time was almost 40 minutes to execute that 2 trades. Now, the sequence that I use to trade digits differ is very simple, but it's something I cannot share online here. Okay, I cannot share it online here. Where was I trading before, Seth? I cannot share it online. Reason being that once I share it, it becomes general and public. Okay, but I can teach someone how to trade it. Even on my Signal service, the way I made it available, it's like Signal, get ready, ready action. So within 1 minute, you have to take action. Okay, I said 1 minute, 1 second. So it has to be a fast thing. So the best way you can trade matches and differ is if you're trading it by yourself. But you have to ensure that this data is moving. You see this guy is changing every 2 seconds. You have to make sure it's changing every 2 seconds. If it is not, don't bother to trade. You are likely going to experience a loss, okay? Because you are going to enter where you are supposed to exit. And look at what I'm trading, 1 tick. Under 2 seconds, my trade is done. So it's going to be a fast trade. I'm predicting that it's not going to be 9. Okay, it's going to be different from 9. So I look for the most preferred sequence that are more stable, that can give me at least 4 signals within an hour. Now I have like about 3 of them that I'm looking at together simultaneously. So that means under 1 hour, I will be able to get at least roughly 9 signals under 1 hour. So the way this one works is that you are not going to likely spend 1 hour in your trade, okay? But you need to also be very vigilant. It requires swift entry. It's very similar to me trading goes outside. It's very similar to me trading goes outside. So that's why I sometimes, and then this one, the signal, I don't have to wait as long as I wait on goes outside. I don't have to wait that long. So that's why I prefer it. So it's nice if you're looking at something you can do on derivative to make profits. This could be one of the trade options you can look at. But remember, you need to have good internet and you should be able to trade very fast. Good internet and speedy entry. If your internet is sluggish, don't bother to trade. If this guy is not changing every 2 seconds, as you see this now, it's changing every 2 seconds. If your own is not changing like that every 2 seconds, don't bother to trade this guy. Okay, it's very, very key. It can give you 20% every day without stress. Without stress. I don't do martingale with it. Okay, I do not do martingale with it. I just showed you my trade report record for the day. Okay, for today I did 15 trades. I had a loss. I was supposed to do 3 trades. Okay, I was supposed to do 3 trades. All right. In that 3 trades, I had 1 loss. In all these 15, I had 1 loss. So it was the third one, the last one. This was the last one I was supposed to do. This last trade. I don't know why this thing is just, my hand is touchy. The last trade I was supposed to do, this one, I had a loss. And what was the cause of the loss? My entry was delayed by internet. Where I'm supposed to exit was where I entered. That was what made the loss happen. So imagine today I had to do extra trades to recover my loss. I did not do martingale. You can see it's the same amount. Okay, before I was using 547. You can see it's the same amount I continue to use in all my trades. So till I meet my target. I had a loss, but now does it look like I had a loss? I still made profit of almost $2. I don't close for the day. Why? Because I'm trading with $5. I'm not expecting to make $10 with $5. That would be overtrade. And that would be overtrade. So it's simple. Anybody can do it. I've always been saying this, that anybody can do all these things. It just requires dedication from your own hand. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.